In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who saved your Instagram post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application, and the first thing you have to do is switch your account to professional account. To do that, just tap at your profile, then hit at this menu icon and select Settings. Then tap at Account, and from here scroll down to the very bottom where you can find Switch to Professional Account feature. If it says Switch Account Type, it means that your account is already a professional account and you can just skip this step. So I'll tap at Switch to Professional Account, then tap Continue, 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 Continue. Here I have to check mark something, let it be personal blog, it doesn't matter. Then I can tap on Done, and there I can select creator or business. You can set this whatever you want, then tap on Next, and that's it. Now my account is a professional account, and the reason why we did that is that now we got a feature. When we open up some posts, here we can tap at View Inside. This feature available only at professional accounts. So now I can tap on that and get some statistics about that post, and there, as you can see, that post has been saved by 0 users on Instagram. I can move on to another post, so I can just scroll down and check statistics for that post, and here I got 2 saves for that specific post. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.